Hi, Tony here from Balsam Spare Parts again. Today we're looking at a Wirquin Jollyfill side entry inlet float valve with a 1/2 inch brass tail, 101 234. So first thing to do is to remove the float arm connection, which will allow this top to turn. So that just pings out like that. And then this anti-clockwise. And then I'll show you from the side here. I'll lift it off carefully. So that's the seating of the washer there. That actually does come out just in case. Some of these we've had from the factory, they come the wrong way. So just to make sure you get the wheel part and then it locks. That's where the washer will sit. And then in here is the washer, which I'll attempt to get out with my fingers. Managed it, there it is. You can see there's a locating pin there, so that just pushes. The new one would push straight over that pin, sit like that. Back to that point there, lock it, and then put your float back.